Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Kali Linux without root on your Android phone. So guys, if you want to install Kali Linux on your Android phone with the GUI version, so watch this video till the end. First of all, I need to tell you that you need to download two applications, which is F-Droid and VNC Viewer. So download this application from my video description article link, or you can follow this guide here. Okay guys, I created many videos, but many people ask me how to do that and many people facing many problems. Okay, so just download F-Droid and VNC Viewer from my link. For that, just go to Chrome browser and type here Mahesh Technicals. Don't spelling mistakes guys. Okay, so type Mahesh Technicals, then go here and you will get maheshtechnicals.com website. Click here and you will see my website. Here you will read my post as well. So click on search bar here and type Kali, then press enter. Now you have Kali Linux post here. Now you need to click here guys on the left side, how to install Kali Linux on Android without root full version. So click on that option. Then you are on the right place, so scroll down and click on download section here. Now you need to wait 15 seconds to download F-Droid application and VNC Viewer application. Okay guys, here you will get download links. You can download from here. I already downloaded and installed in my phone, so just open F-Droid application first. When you first time open F-Droid application, it will download repositories and repos, so wait for that. After that you will get this type of screen. After that, just click on search bar here, type here Termux. Remember guys, don't download Termux from Google Play Store, download Termux from here only, otherwise this trick will not work. Okay, download this Termux. You can see 2 weeks ago we have updated Termux application here, so download this application from here. Okay, so now it will ask you to install. Just click on install button. Okay, Termux application is successfully installed on our Android phone. Just open this application from here. It will take some time to load because it will download some small packages as well. You can see here written which says Google Play Store not supported more updates from Termux. That's why we downloaded that application from F-Droid. Okay guys, so let's install our Kali Linux in our Termux. We need some commands, so for commands you need to follow my article here. Okay, so just scroll down. In the method 2 section you will get installation guide option. Just click on that option. Here you will get all required commands to install Kali Linux on our Termux application. So just follow copy paste one by one command guys and you will good to go. So just first command enter, it will update and upgrade your Termux packages. Okay, so now we need to give storage permission, so follow that next command here. Just copy and paste in terminal. Now it will ask to allow, so just allow it. Okay, done. After that we need to install wget package, so for that download this command. Okay guys, so now we need to download our Kali Linux package from wget. So right now we are loading this file. Done guys. So now the time to give some permissions. It helps to execute. Just type ls and you can see that some files are downloaded. Okay, now the time to download our main Kali Linux file. Okay guys, so you need to copy that command, which is /. So copy that full command and paste here. After that command guys, your Kali Linux installation process will start. So it will take time guys, because our Kali Linux file is larger in size, which is 1.4 GB. So you need to have minimum 4 GB internal storage free in your Android phone guys, then Kali Linux will install properly in your phone. So you can see it is taking time and it says 30 minutes. So I will be back in 30 minutes. Okay, so now you can see 98% done guys. So it takes 30 minutes. So wait here and you can see file is downloaded completely, and now it's checking. Now file is checking guys, so wait here. Okay, now you can see our tar.xz file is checked properly and downloaded properly. It is the 1.4 GB file. Okay guys, so now this file is extracting. You can see file is right now extracting. Extraction complete. You need to press Y to delete that file because file is extracted in our system. So you can see, if you see this screen, it means Kali Linux properly installed on your Android phone. So now we are going to access our Kali Linux. For that, just write this command. And you can see we are logged in our Kali Linux machine. Now first of all you need to set VNC viewer password here. After that we can use GUI version. For that, just type here KEX space password. Set your password here. Press N and done guys. Now we need to enable VNC server. For that, just type this command KEX space and you can see our VNC server is activated on 5902 port. Okay, so now we are going to connect our machine with VNC server. Just click on plus icon, go here and type localhost :5902, which is our port. Set any machine name. I'm going to select Kali. Then click on connect button. Remember password and type your password which you set before, and you can see our Kali Linux is installed properly on our Android device without any issue. So you can see there are lots of packages here. You can launch terminal as well, and you are a root user as well. Okay guys, that's why we use nethunter space -r command. -r means root. Okay, you can execute any kind of commands here. Okay, so many people ask me about internet and browsers not working in that part. So open Firefox here and you can see internet proper working. Let me check. Okay, so internet perfectly working fine without any issue, and browser also working very fine. So okay, so you have file manager as well, so you can use file manager to execute and manage your files as well. Okay, so just disconnect this and let me show you some tips. Okay, go to Termux, and whenever you want to exit your VNC Viewer, whenever you don't want to use, just stop your VNC server. For that, type KEX stop. It will stop your VNC server. It is good practice to do that. Okay guys, after that, if you exit your Termux application, let me exit. Okay, for stop it means exit. Open that application again and you will landed on this page. So if you do this, then you need to again log in into your NetHunter. For that, NetHunter space -r type, then enter, and you are in NetHunter. After that, if you open VNC Viewer and try to connect, it will show you error because we not started VNC server. So first, always kill the VNC server. For that, type KEX space kill. It will kill your VNC sessions. Okay, so it is good practice to do that. After that, you need to re-enable KEX space, and it will enable, or it will start your VNC server again. So now you can connect with your machine without any error. Okay guys, you can see. So with this method, you can easily install Kali Linux on your Android phone without any issue and without root. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel for more updates. If you have questions, you can comment below. I will definitely answer your questions. And if you want to download files, so you can access my website article and you will get all required things, okay guys, from here. So thank you so much for watching guys. We will meet in the next video.